The Spirit of the Lord is saying, what appears to be falling apart is actually coming together. I know it looks like it is in pieces. Everything is scattered and it is left you afraid. But God wants you to know that it is actually coming together. The pieces are coming together and you will finally understand. Child of God, it is worth the wait. That thing you are praying for is worth every tear and fiery trial. You are fighting for something beautiful and it will soon be yours. God gave you a wonderful glimpse, but it won't compare to the final product. It is so much more than you know, child of God. Every promise is exceeding and abundant. God has a way of putting you in the right place, connecting you to the right people, and making sure you come out on top. He will order your steps. He will protect you from harm. The Lord will favor you and cause you to prosper, and He will do it against all odds. Get ready, it's coming. Type yes if you agree.